Well, first of all, I'm very glad that the European House Ambrosetti conducted with great success also the 31st edition of this fantastic workshop on finance. We actually helped the system to raise a little bit more of optimism after a global outlook, both geopolitical and economical, at the beginning of Friday, where there was a disaster, a catastrophe, a very, very negative mood. I think that we have rebalanced the impressions and listening to investors, entrepreneurs, manufacturers and all participants to our 34th edition, we got a better sign of optimism. So this is one point I would like to stress and outline. And in the end, the discussion with the ECB and with the Italian government was also reassuring, and particularly Minister Giorgetti has expressed a lot of enthusiasm and determination to make it happen with regard to the next generation EU in the country, and they are aware that the problems are many, but they also have the greatest determination to sort them out and do it better.